मुकाबला हो जाए. Why not? But let's make it between your famous warrior Tatia and my warrior Zakira. चुनौती मंजूर है. You forgot to invite me. Now you will all suffer. You have to face me first. No, you have to face us. Sabrina was a powerful witch and she wanted to conquer the 5 kingdoms. The fight lasted for hours. But Tatia and Zakira fought bravely. They defeated the evil witch and sent her back to her dark caves.
This is my story. To that young child I knew, who was innocent, scared, hopeless, angry, low confident, sad, worthless, and who lost her father at a very young age, making her feel clueless, less guided and protected in life, who had almost forgotten of the fact that she was capable of living her dreams, or even to dream for that matter, I'd say today that she's brave, powerful, capable, worthy, and simply beautiful and unique. Somebody who never gave up and simply trusted the process of life. Overlooking my tears, screams, and helplessness for years, I finally connected to my inner strength, capabilities, and possibilities today. Even though my journey was not easy, I'm happy for the fact that I was willing to change.
भारत में शायद ही किसी ने सोचा होगा कि गोल्फ जैसे खेल में कोई भारतीय व भी कोई लड़की भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व करेंगी। 9 साल की उम्र में ही नेशनल टाइटल जीतने वाली अदिति का सक्सेस ये है कि उसने कई भारतीयों का गोल्फ की तरफ देखने का एवं सोचने का नजरिया ही बदल दिया। 23 वर्षीय अदिति ने टोक्यो ओलंपिक में अपने प्रदर्शन से सबको चौंका दिया।
I love to dress up in traditional attire and dance and take pictures. Friendship for me is the most important thing. I have few close friends and share everything with them. I love to curl up and sleep. It's the best thing in the world. I've worked in different jobs to learn and get exposure, including a stint at ICICI Bank. I also worked for microgreen company. My dream is to be a successful model. I hope I can be that one day.
ये है एक माँ और बेटे की कहानी, जहाँ बेटे को माँ के काड़ेपन से शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती थी। बेटे की ऐसी नफरत दुनिया में कोई भी माँ सहन नहीं कर सकती है। बड़े होने के बाद बेटा माँ को अकेले छोड़कर अपनी अलग से दुनिया बसाने दूसरे शहर चला गया।
That it's just the voice of brain and not my whole body. Eventually, even if you see the tiniest bit of hope at the end, just try to hold on to that, because there will always be some help out there. It can be your friends, family, or someone you love. So you're not alone in this.
It brought me a step closer to my destiny and my dream city, Mumbai. Here, working as a textile designer, convergence of my work and passion happened when I met my favorite superstar and designed her living space. Then came a time when I decided to quit my job and start my own venture. With new challenges came a new freedom that allowed me to squeeze more time for my acting career. As I started doing shoots for photographers, television shows, digital ads, I kept waiting for one platform that will boost my reach. Finally, the wait was over as OMG came my way and as a ray of hope for me. This platform not only boosted my confidence but made me showcase my talent through different challenges. The journey has been beautiful so far.